How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. This is the Breville Barista Express Espresso machine. It's an all-in-one espresso machine. You got your automatic coffee grinder, your milk foamer. There's a tamper over here. So I'll just run through all the features and make a latte. And then I'll go over some of the features that you might have missed. Just push it to turn on. It does this thing, it needs to warm up. You can set the grind amount over here with this knob. You can set it from fine all the way to coarse at 16. But there's also 17, 18, and 19 not shown. Hot water, steaming. After a while, steam comes out, then you can stop it. Use the steamer within 8 seconds. It's too hot now. And purge it. I turn it off, and now while it's still wet, you want to clean that off. Make sure the filter size corresponds with your filter basket, or you can push it for double. Just push it in. Make sure it's just kind of even over there. We take the tamper out. Make sure you're tamping it completely flat. Just look at the edges. It's all even all the way around. Twist it a little bit and then come back out. Replace the tamper, then insert the portafilter. Twist it until it locks. You might want to use the hot water to preheat your portafilter, and we can just begin. Push the button for brew. It's going to do the pre-infusion. And now the coffee's coming out, and you can see the pressure over here. It's ramping up to espresso pressure. I have about 26 grams of coffee. It uses this type of filter. You soak it with water, then you put it in here. There's a mechanical month indicator. You can set it to when you put it in. Then you plop it right in the center of this thing, push it in, and it locks into place. Install the reservoir. It holds up to 2 liters. Close the lid like so. Open the coffee reservoir. Turn it to open the lock. Lift this wire over here. Twist it left. Pull this out. Comes with this little brush. Right now it's set at 6. Remove this piece. We can turn it, and this will allow you to adjust your grind size a little bit finer. This is set at 1. If I turn it all the way to 10, you can see it moves in very little. 1 for finer, 10 for coarser. When you're done, put the wire back on, adjusting the coarseness knob on the side. This is the coarsest to the finest. When you're done adjusting, put it back in. Lock it in place until you hear a snap. Put the bean hopper back on. Turn to lock. Put some beans in here. Even with beans in the hopper, you can turn this, and the beans won't fall out of the hopper when you remove it. Of course, you'll have some beans left over in here. You have to clear those out before you adjust the grind size. Replace the lid cover. The bottom platform has all these little funny holes. Any drippings from the espresso will fall straight down into the catch tray. Any extra hot water falls right into this hole. The drip tray has a nice indicator. Once you fill it up, it says empty me. Pull it out. And inside there's a hidden tray that carries all your accessories. I recommend to use a spoon. Pry it open just like that. Comes with the double spout portafilter. The baskets are 54 millimeters. Fits right in there. Not much play in there. Single dose and double dose filters. Fresh ground coffee goes in these. Double wall filters for pre-ground coffee, where after you tamp it, you can put this in here, twist it to flatten it out. Comes with a stainless steel milk frother. The bottom has a logo on it. Otherwise, it's completely logo free around the perimeter. I'd say the construction is pretty thick on this one. This is the rubber grommet to back flush your espresso machine for cleaning purposes. This is a measuring scoop for pre-ground coffee. The cleaning brush made out of plastic bristles. Comes with the Allen wrench that opens up the shower screen to do any kind of deep cleaning. You see there's some coffee on here already. You got this thing with a pin on both ends. What is it? Kind of poke around with each hole if there's something stuck in there. There's a thicker pin. You can clean your milk frother whole with that. For this tray, you can just push it all in there. When you pull it out, it comes out with it, and there are these nubs that keeps it from falling out any further. So you can take this and empty it out without this tray sort of following along. The tamper has a storage area in this hole, and there's a magnet that holds it in place. It comes with 2 espresso machine cleaning tablets, a starter packet of descaler. I gotta point out the plug because I like this hole here. Put your finger in there and you just pull it right out. You can adjust the standard brewing temperature by +2 or +4 Fahrenheit or -2 and -4 Fahrenheit. Simply turn it off, press and hold the program button, and then press the power button. Right now it's -4. If I want it to be at 0, just push the center button. It'll reset and now it's at 0 offset. We turn it off, press the program power button. You see it shows up as 0 again. Overall, you got everything packaged into one. I highly recommend to just get fresh ground coffee, never use pre-ground coffee. The steamer's a little bit slow compared to commercial machines, but it's not that slow. You just have to steam a little bit longer. It's like the difference of steaming maybe 10 more seconds or so. Pitfalls you might have when running this machine is remember to don't run out of water. If you run out of water, it's not gonna make espressos, and I did that one time. Overall, everything is packaged into one and it makes an excellent coffee. If you guys are interested in this product, check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.